Today, we're going to guide small business owners on how to create and use a Facebook business page effectively in 2025. A well-managed page helps you reach more customers, showcase your products or services, and build a professional online presence. First, start by creating your page. Go to Facebook, select Create a Page, and choose a clear business name. Select the category that best describes your business so that potential customers can find you easily. Accurate information increases your visibility and credibility. Next, complete your business profile. Add your address, contact details, website, and hours of operation. Include a professional profile picture, usually your logo, and a visually appealing cover photo that represents your brand. These images make a strong first impression and establish trust with visitors. Once your page is set up, focus on creating engaging content. Share posts about your products, promotions, behind-the-scenes updates, or helpful tips related to your industry. Use images, videos, and graphics to make posts more attractive. Posting consistently helps maintain visibility and keeps your audience engaged. Another key step is to interact with your audience. Reply to comments and messages promptly, encourage questions, and consider running polls or contests. Engagement not only builds trust, but also improves your page's reach, as active pages are favored by Facebook's algorithm. Finally, take advantage of Facebook tools for small businesses. Use Business Suite to schedule posts, monitor insights, and track page performance. Highlight customer reviews, create events, and use call to action buttons like Shop Now or Send Message to drive action. By following these steps, small businesses can create a professional, engaging, and effective Facebook business page that attracts customers and supports growth in 2025. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more tips to grow your small business online.